So good day guys. This will be the continuation of the gadget detection process. I am going to tackle about training data sets, object detection testing, retraining using auto annotation, different progress as we go train the data, and then integration to web application. So first, let me close muna this sample. Yeah. We are going to get the training. So the purpose of training is to create a train data that will be used as our classifier. So once we have annotated na, so for example, this one, and then this one, and we have the different JPEGs na, and then we have annotated using label images as instructed by Sir Mark, like this one, classes, and we are going to create or start creating our training.py. So using YOLO v5 PyTorch. So we need to first install the necessary requirements as been given here at the YOLO v5 PyTorch website. And then you can now go to the YOLO v5 folder. So this will be the one you will see when you are at the YOLO v5 folder. So basically, ang gagamitin lang natin dito is .pt files, detect.py, and train.py. So this will be the train.py. So once we open it, there are different instructions on how to use the train.py. So all we need to do is copy this one on depending kung ano yung kailangan nyo. So if you are going from scratch na wala ka pang pre-trained classifier, you're going to here. So kakopy mo lang siya and then you'll go to the cmd. So cd that open the folder of YOLO v5 and then paste it here. So these are the different so may YAML ka. So yung different YAML file will be your configuration kung saan kukunin yung data as well as kung saan makikita yung mga labels ng data na yun. So from our annotated, ilalagay lang natin o open natin yung different kung ano man yung YAML file mo. Sa akin, ang minodify ko na lang yung coco128.yam file. So nakalagay dito kung nasaan yung test data ko as well as yung values and then yung classes. So the main goal of our project is to detect these three objects in the camera. So person, phone, and laptop. So I have created, wait lang. YOLO v5 and then data. So I have different testing here. So test 1 includes the different images, then as well as, and lahat ng mga testing ko dito is yung mga ginamit namin as testing. And then this will be the coco128 file. So back to our train.py, you can modify it depending on the different arguments or parameters that can be used. So you can just scroll down para makita nyo kung ano yung pwede natin gamitin para ma-customize yung ating training. And then, so I will not use this, enter this kasi matagal to, and then there are also different parameters that can be used kagaya ng epochs. So this will be the number of training instances. So epochs 3 or epochs 10, but as Ma'am said, as the more epochs you use, the more precise or the more better yung confidence level na mapoproduce nyo sa classifier. And then we also have the batch 16. So these are the necessary things. So in-screenshot ko na lang yung different commands. So let's see here. Wait lang. So this is, so I type this one, train.py, YOLO v5s.pt. So I use the pre-trained YOLO v5s.pt kasi I tried using from scratch pero wala siyang nadedetect. So, ginamit ko yung YOLO B5 S.PT as a reference. So, these are the things that you will see once you have started training your classifier. Next, this is the epoch. So, the system, the Python YOLO B5 trains the classifier on different. So, I use 10 epochs lang. So, 9/9 kasi start ay 0. And then, makikita nyo dito yung mga statistics regarding that training. So, images 65 and there are 110 instances. So, yung instances is yung mga box na nilagay sa annotation. Then, ilan yung na-detect at ilan yung hindi. Ganyan. So, and then, so nakalagay din kung ilang oras na complete and then yung kung saan nakalagay yung ating best and last PT which will be used para dun sa ating pag-detect sa kung ano mang source yung kailangan natin. And then, so we can go to that. So let's try YOLO B5 and then runs trains. So once na-train natin, dito siya lalabas. So as you can see, we have trained up to 23 times. So yung mga una nagte-training magkakapapa lang. And then hanggang sa meron pa dito na let's see kung I think 17 yan ito. So wait lang. Okay. This one. Medyo madaming naka-open na images. So, this one. So, I tried without using the YOLO B5 S.PT. These are the annotated sample images that I used. And then, ito yung predicted niya. So, wala siyang na-detect kahit isa. Another one, wala siya. So, di ko na siya ginamit kasi feeling ko talagang bagsak siya. Wala siyang na-detect kahit isa. So, the next one, I tried training again. Kay ano naman po, so nagpasend ako kay Sir Carl Villa Flores ng kanyang annotated images. So, these are the annotated ones and these are the predicted ones. So, wala pa rin siyang na-predict. So, ayun. I started using the YOLO B5 S.PT to create a reference regarding the image object detection. So, this one naman. So, wala pa rin. Next, yung XP20 natin. Let's see. So, this is where I created and added some data sets. So, these are my recordings. These are the sample detection. Ito yung na-detect niya na. So, madaming instances sa phone tsaka person. So, ang una ko palang ditong ginawa is dinedetect pa lang niya is phone and person. This is the labels, these are the predicted or the trained. So, mukhang working na siya. So, I started using it as a detector. So, I use the best phone.pt. So, we need, so ano nga yun? 20 ba yun? Yeah, this one. So, we need to get the weights here. So, best.pt and last.pt. So, usually best tayo. And then, we are going to use it to detect. So, we need to open the detect.py and this is the code for the detect.py. So, it is readily created by YOLO B5. So, nakalagay din dito kung paano siya gamitin. And we have here na ito nga yung lalagay lang natin, kakopy lang natin itong code na to into our CMD. And then, we just need to change this one into yung file kung nasaan yung ating PT, yung best.pt. So, ang aking pinaka-best na, I will use it. So, naandito lang siya sa file na to. Itong bestdetect.pt. So, I will use bestdetect.pt. Detect.pt. So, the source, these are the available sources. So, kapag 0 yung nilagay natin, i-open niya yung webcam and then it will live detect kung ano yung nakikita niya sa webcam. Then images, video, screen, list of text, then path. So yung path na to is we are going to use it in pre-training. So, para mapalakas natin yung classifier, pwede natin itong gamitin para mag-auto-annotate. And then YouTube video as well as CCTV cameras and IP cams. So, RTSP, HTTP stream. Yan. So, let's try the source 0 muna. So, I have created the best detected PT nga. And then, enter. So, mag-check muna siya ng different requirements. And then, it will open my webcam. Yeah. So, it has detected one person. And then, when I add my phone, so, medyo nako-confuse pa siya kung siya kasi gawa siguro ng distance ko. Yan. Kasi malapit siya sa screen. So, yeah. Yan. Medyo acceptable na naman yung kanyang confidence level kasi 80 plus na, and then yung ating person is 50 na. Then, when I try a laptop, so, yan, nade-detect na din siya. As you can see, medyo kamukha ng table ko upuan ko yung laptop. So, once kanina, di ba, nade-detect yung corner ng aking chair. So, kasi kamukha siya ng laptop. So, it really needs to have more in-depth classification pa para ma-classify niya as a chair or hindi siya laptop, yung table. Yung chair ko pala. So, that's it. So, we can also try images or videos. So, once na nakadetect na natin siya, it will go to the detect folder. And then, as you can see, I have tried many testings na. So, let's check this one. So, ito, detect 3. This was a video sent by Sir Carl Villaflores, and I have tried it in our classifier pa. So, yan. So, first pa lang, yung phone pa lang na-detect, medyo pa siya, cluttered pa, and then madaming detection na instances na nagaganap. As well as, you can see that yung kanyang corners of the chairs is kina-classify niya as a phone. But kasi medyo kamukha nga naman ng phone yung black din. So, ayan. This is the first training or first checking. And then, we also have this label na. So, this label, so once na-detect niya yung mga boxes dito, every instances will be created. This one. So, parang YOLO version din siya. And you can use it to create or retrain the classifier. So, next, nag-try pa rin ako dito ng iba. So, ito naman, cellphone ulit. Pinatanggal ko kay Sir Carl yung likod niya. Yung likod ng upuan pala niya, yung sandalan. And then, we have here, nag-try naman ako ng laptop. So, this is where hindi ko pa nilalagyan ng laptop detection. So, as you can see, kahit ganong taas niya, hindi na-detect yung laptop. And then, still, yung phone, yung likod ng sandalan ni Sir Carl is detected as phone pa rin. Okay, so, as you can see, they are creating progress pa din. So, I have tried din. Kasama ko si Sir Reden while making this project. So, ayan, dalaway na-detect niya. And then, yung phone is also considered, ayan, na-detect naman siya. And then, the laptop. So, I think, nagiging successful na yung ating progress. And then, here, na-training ulit tayo. Tumayo tayo for laptop detection. So, ayun, nakakatakot kasi meron siyang nade-detect dito sa gilid ng pinto na kung ano man yun. So, person daw. Next, we have the XP42. Check muna kung nagre-record pa rin siya. Okay. Detect 6. So, ito nga may annotation pa rin siya. Kasi ginagamit natin siya as pre-train. So, ito medyo malinis na. Hindi niya na na-detect yung gilid, yung likod ng bangko ni Sir Carl as a phone. And then, wala na yung madaming instances nung kanyang So, as we train, nag-i-improve yung ating classifier. So, isa na lang yung box mostly. So, isa na lang yung box niya as well as yung sa laptop is mas okay na din. So, it really depends din kung yung accuracy nito sa lighting tsaka sa zoom nung iyong camera. Next, ayun, usually yun na yun. And then, I think we have concluded na mas naging okay na yung ating detection. So, yun na yung ginamit natin. Yung pinatrade na yun is yun na yung gagamitin nating classifier. So, ang code doon yun sa retraining is parang same lang din doon sa sa train.py. Babaguhin lang natin ito. So, kung ito man yung from pre-trained, I copied it and then change the YAML file ng configuration and then dito sa weights, ito yung ating classifier na. So, best detect.pt. And then, image 640, epochs is kung ilan man. So, yan, ganyan. And then, patch 16. So, once we hit enter, mag-run siya ng training. We won't hit training because, yun nga, we have already trained na yan. So, that is our image detection and that is our progress. So, the next is the integration into web application. So, paano mo nga naman ma-use yung Python file? So, every time mag-configure ka pa. So, we have integrated it into web application para magkaroon din ng mas madaming design at mas interactive sa users. So, in order to integrate it into web application, we have used Flask. So, Flask. So, this one. So, it integrates Python code into web. So, Python, HTML, CSS, and etc. So, in order for us to do that, so, we can, in CMD lang naman siya. So, go to the folder ng iyong app. So, cd YOLO b5 Flask. Then, ang gagawin nyo lang is set Flask app equals to app.py. So, yung app.py is the main app na gagamitin natin para sa ating web. So, ito yan. So, once we open it, Python file din siya, pero nagkakaroon siya ng root na different routes. So, once kailan siya mag-open ng web, kailan siya mag-new tab or something like that. Kapag may /detect yung URL mo, saan mapupunta. And that's the function of the app.py. And marami pang underlying codes dito, but we won't really focus it here. So, as you can see here, kapag nag-detect siya or itong opencam, o na lang kasi, pag click mo yung opencam, napunta ka sa /opencam, pupunta ka, i-open mo si detect.py, and then source is 0. So, o-open mo si webcam. So, that's basically the process of the app.py, and then itong yung detect.py natin. So, that's how to. Okay, so i-enter lang natin to set flask app.py and then flask run. So once we have this one, so for production na siya and then debug mode of, we can go to 127.0.0.1 or our local server in our PC or laptop and then hit enter. So ayan. This is our web application that we have created. It is basically combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then yung Python nating file. So, gadget detection, and then we have also here the creators now. So, for those who want to create their own classifier and object detection, and once we click it, it will go to YOLO B5 website. So, naandyan naman yung mga instruction on how to create or how to create your own object detection application. And finance group project, DSM DSSC 103 MIT 12S2 Applied Machine Learning. So, wala akong mailagay. So, nilagyan ko ng ratings. And 5 star. Siyempre, kami yung creator. So, 5 star siya. And then, these are the members. So, once we also click this, meet the author, it will go to the lower part of the website. And, yeah. So, here are our details, sub-course, and then email, as well as about the project. The authors of this project are postgraduate students of Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila. This project was created and submitted to Ms. Judel Estrada with compliance to Advanced Machine Learning as their finance project. So, parang ano lang siya. Pero, disclaimer lang, we don't own any of the things that we used here, and it will be credited to the rightful owner. So here, yan. And then this is the main function of the object detection. So we have created a parang lens. So click the lens to allow your webcam. Try it now. Once we click this, we just need to initiate. So we can check here, nag-i-initiate siya. And then mag-o-okay na siya. So yan. Andiyan na yung object detection nito. Once we click the lens, ayun, mag-o-open yung camera ng ating laptop. So, it is a matter of whether you allow your camera to be open when using the app. Yan. So, the problem here that we have encountered is yung yung accuracy niya due to downgraded version of different dependencies such as yung Python, yung YOLO V5. Kasi once na you have created your web app na parang hindi compatible yung different dependencies na ginamit nyo or different libraries or packages. So, nagda-downgrade. Kaya yung when we have uploaded it or integrated our detect.py, medyo bumaba yung quality ng detection. So, you can see that kanina, mga 60 plus yung naandi yun. Ngayon, 40. Tapos, kapag sa phone, so, ayan, nade-detect naman yung phone. And then, if I check the laptop, yan. So, basically, it is working na. Pero, bumaba yung confidence level. Yan, kita nyo, bumalik na naman si laptop as yung likod ng bangko ko napapagkamalang laptop. But it is really a matter of training and training the classifier. So I will end this presentation now and let my teammates or group mates to finish our presentation by giving recommendations and other documentations needed in order to accomplish this group activity. Thank you so much, and thank you.